Good day everyone. Learn how to stop automatic updates in Windows 11 without any delay. So it will not take much time to disable it. So click on the search icon and type services. Once you type the services, run as administrator. And it should look like this. And here we will select any of the file and we will press W and we will look for Windows Update service. Once you find Windows Update, you can see it is currently not running, but I'll tell you what exactly we need to do. So we just do a double click on that, and then from automatic to disabled, and then in recovery tab, first failure, restart the service. I'll mention take no action and just click on apply and OK. Once it is done, do a right click again, and if it is disabled or if it's not running, well and good. If it's running, do a right click and click on stop. So this is how you can disable the automatic updates in Windows 11. Subscribe for more tutorials like this. Have a wonderful day.